Prove that tan square A divided by tan square A minus 1 plus cosecant square A divided by secant square A minus cosecant square A is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 cos square A. LHS is equal to tan square A divided by tan square A minus 1 plus cosecant square A divided by secant square A minus cosecant square A is equal to, here tan square A is equal to sin square A by cos square A, sin square A divided by cos square A divided by sin square A by cos square A minus 1 plus cosecant square A is equal to 1 by sin square A divided by secant square A is equal to 1 by cos square A minus cosecant square A is equal to 1 by sin square A is equal to sin square A by cos square A divided by sin square A minus cos square A divided by cos square A plus 1 by sin square A divided by sin square A minus cos square A divided by sin square A into cos square A is equal to sin square A by cos square A into cos square A divided by sin square A minus cos square A plus 1 by sin square A into sin square A into cos square A divided by sin square A minus cos square A is equal to, here cos square A cancel, sin square A cancel. Sin square A divided by sin square A minus cos square A plus cos square A divided by sin square A minus cos square A is equal to LCM sin square A minus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That is 1 by sin square A minus cos square A is equal to 1 by, here sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A is equal to 1 by 1 minus cos square A, 2 cos square A, that is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS.